Hello guys, I am from GovGraph Maths Hub. Today I have taken one question from NCERT 10th Maths. Question is question number 1, Roman 1, exercise 4.3 equal to. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0, comma, if they exist, comma, by the method of completing the square, full stop. Solution equal to. Now here you can see this quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0 is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general form. Here you have to find out roots. Here you have to determine whether roots of this quadratic equation exist or not. So let us proceed further. How you will determine the roots of this quadratic equation? Let us see. Now, given quadratic equation, given quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0 is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to plus 2, b equal to minus 7, c equal to plus 3. Here you can write in bracket comparing the given QE with the general form. Here I have written comparing the given QE is this one, with general form is this one. So here you will get coefficient of x square, here you have got plus 2. Here coefficient of x square is plus 8. So here I have written a equal to plus 2. Here you can see coefficient of x is minus 7. Here coefficient of x is b. So here I have written b equal to minus 7. Here content term is c. Here content term is 3. So here I have written c equal to plus 3. Now, determinant, discriminant, not determinant, discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Now here put the value. In place of b, you can write here minus 7 whole square minus 4. Here value of a you have got here 2 and value of c here you got 3. So this will become 49 minus 4 2 8, 8 3 24. So here you will get 20 equal to 25. 25, here you can see 25. This means that b square minus 4ac equal to 25 implies that b square minus 4ac greater than 0. In this case, if the condition is there, discriminant b square minus 4ac greater than 0, in this case, hence there will be two distinct real roots. Here you will get, hence there will be two distinct real roots, because here you can see discriminant b square minus 4ac equal to 25. Here 25, the value of discriminant is 25. So 25 is greater than 0. Hence there will be two distinct real roots. So now how this quadratic equation will be solved by the method of completing square. Here I shall write given quadratic equation once again. Given QE, that is implies that equal to 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Here you can see the coefficient of x square is plus 2. Whenever this type of quadratic equation is going to be solved by the method of completing the square. In this case, first you will remove the coefficient of x square, that is plus 2. So here I am going to remove plus 2. So what you will do? Here you will write on dividing both sides by 2. Here it will become, if you divide both sides by 2, you will get here 2x square will be divided by 2, you will get here x square. Again second term minus 7x will be divided by 2, we will get here minus 7x by 2. Again plus 3 will be divided by 2, here you will get plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Now here you have got coefficient of x square, that is plus 1. The basic idea is that you have to make the coefficient of x square as plus 1. So here you have got the coefficient of x square plus 1. Now what we'll do further? Now here you can see coefficient of x is minus 7 by 2. So here I shall write, this is the method of completing the square. So what we'll do here? Here write implied that, here write coef means coefficient, coef of x implies that coef of x, the coef of x, that is minus 7 over 2, implies that here you have got coefficient of x is equal to minus 7 over 2. Now implies that take half of minus 7 by 2. This will become, implied that half of in bracket minus 7 over 2. This is the method. This will become minus 7 over 4. Implied that square of square of minus 7 over 4. This will become imply that minus 7 over 4 का whole square. So now this is the complete method of completing the square. Condition is that here coefficient of x square must be 1. So here I have taken implied that coefficient of x equal to, here you can see coefficient of x is minus 7 over 2. I have written this one. Now get the half of minus 7 over 2. So here I have written half of minus 7 over 2. So you will get minus 7 over 4. Implied that square of minus 7 over 4. So I have done square of minus 7 over 4. I shall get minus 7 over 4 का whole square. This is the complete method from this place to this place. From this place to this place. This is the complete method of completing the square. Provided in the given quadratic equation, coefficient of x square must be 1. Here you can see coefficient of x square must be 1. Then this method can be applied. Now what we'll do, here you will write the given quadratic equation. 1x square minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 I have written equal to 0. Implied that here what to do, 1x square minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2. Same thing. You can see here 1x square minus 7x over 2 plus 3 by 2 I have written here. What to do next? Here you have got the value minus 7 over 4 का whole square. So this value will be added. So here I am going to add this value minus 7 over 4 का whole square. Here this is the original quadratic equation. This is the original quadratic equation. I have added minus 7 over 4 का whole square. Addition is there. So whatever addition we will do here, the same will be the subtraction. So here I have added plus in bracket minus 7 over 4 का whole square. So same thing, same value will be subtracted. So here I shall write minus in bracket minus 7 over 4 का whole square. Here you can see plus in bracket minus 7 over 4 का whole square minus 7 over 4 का whole square. Both are the same. Plus minus is there. This both term, this one will be cancelled out. There will be no effect on the original quadratic equation, this one. That's why this value will be added and subtracted simultaneously. So now do the process next. Here you can see, here minus is there. Here minus is there. So what to do here? Make here curly bracket. Curly bracket will be open here. Here you can write x square plus don't write this one. Here you can write minus 7 over 4 bracket close, curly bracket close. Here write whole square. So here I have written open curly bracket here, implied that open curly bracket here. In one bracket x will be there plus minus 7 over 4 will be one bracket, plus sign will be there, here x will be there, का whole square. If you expand a plus b का whole square, you will get here squaring of first term, that is x square. Squaring of second term, you will get this one, and plus multiplication of both term multiplied to 2 twice. So if you multiply this one, you will get minus 7/4 dot x, or twice you will get this value. This one value you will get. So here from this to this place, processing has been completed. Now here you can write minus 7/4 का whole square. So now here you can say x square minus 7x over 2 plus 3/2 plus minus 7/2 का whole square. So on doing the operation here, you can see this term you will take first, and this term you will take first, and this term you will take first. This term will not be taken. This term, only what term you will take here? This term, and this term. 3 terms you can see: x square minus 7x over 2 and minus 7/4 का whole square. Only 3 terms you will take. You can write like this. So if you expand x plus in bracket minus 7/4 bracket close का whole square, you will get squaring of first term plus squaring of second term. This one you will get plus multiplication of both term. X will multiply to minus 7/4 cut twice. So here you get twice. So you will get this term. This term you will get. Here I have written same thing. I have written a plus. This one is also there. So here you will write plus 3/2. Now imply that. Now you have to operate this one. Operation of this one will be complete. So here you can write x plus, x will be in bracket plus in bracket minus 7/4 close my whole square. So x plus in bracket minus 7/4 bracket close का whole square, and this will become minus or dash expand this one. 7 minus 7 will multiply to minus 7. You will get here 49, and here 4 will multiply to 4. You will get here 16. Here you can write 3/2. Now come out to next step. Next step will be, here it will be the same. Here you can write in bracket x plus in bracket minus 7/4 का whole square, curly bracket close का whole square. Same thing you can see, curly bracket open, in bracket x plus minus 7/4 bracket close का whole square. I have done here. Here do the process here. Here you can take minus as a common. So here you take minus as a common. So in bracket it will become 49/16 minus 3/2. It will become like this. Here I have taken minus common. So in bracket it comes out to be 49/16 minus 3/2. Now do the operation next. Imply that this will become as a 0. I have rotated a 0. Imply that here you can write this is a 0, and again you can write this one equal to 0, and also write here equal to 0. Imply that you can write. So now operation is correct, I think so. This is okay. This is the correct. So what to do next? Here write curly bracket open. In bracket x will be there plus minus 7 over 4 bracket close curly bracket close का whole square minus here do the operation here you get 16 here it will be 49 minus take LCM of 16 and 2 will get 16 LCM and here you see in denominator 2 is there. If you multiply by 8 you will get 16. 8 you will multiply to numerator also. So it will get here 24. 24 you will get. So here you can write like this. After that, this will become 0. After that, what to do? Imply that this will become in bracket x plus minus 7 over 4 bracket 1 squaring minus here you will write 25 by 16 equal to 0. Imply that 49 minus 24 you will get 25 over 16. So now what to do here? Here you can write same x in one bracket, another minus 7 over 4 curly bracket whole square minus here you can write 5 over 4 ka whole square equal to 0. Now you have got the formula a square minus b square. Here formula is a square minus b square. This is a plus b in one bracket, in another bracket a minus b. This is the correct formula. So this formula here you can see whole value from this to this place will be termed as a and this value b. A square minus b square. Apply here a square minus b square. If you do like this, you will get here implied that open here curly bracket x plus minus 7 over 4 plus 5 over 4 in one bracket dot in another bracket you will get here x plus minus 7 over 4 plus I have taken here like this plus this one b and here you can write x minus x plus minus 7 over 4 same thing I have written x plus minus 7 over 4 I have written same and here you write minus 5 over 4 will be in one bracket equal to 0. So here a plus b here a minus b will come. So now here you can write here this can sit 4 is there. Take 4 as a LCM. You will get here minus 7 plus 5. You will get minus 2. So here you can write in one bracket x plus minus 2 over 4. This will become in one bracket. Another bracket you will get here x plus and here you can see 4 is there. So take LCM as a 4. So here minus 7 minus 5 you will get here minus 12. So here write minus 12 over 4. This will be equal to 0. Implied that from here you will get x plus minus 2 over 4 equal to 0. So here you will get implied that x equal to, if you do the process here, this will be minus 2 by 4 come out to this one. So this will become x equal to 1 by 2. So here you will get x equal to 1 by 2 and next step x equal to x equal to 12 by 4, so you will get here 3. And now value of x implies that x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 over 2. Here you can write 1 over 2. So answer will be, in this case, answer will be equal to x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 by 2. This will be the, here we have got two roots. First root is either first root is x equal to 3 or x equal to 1 over 2. This is the complete solution of this quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0 by the method of completing the square. Okay guys.